Imagine you have a robot helper to do your chores, but the robot is super smart and has a really bad memory. The old way, you stand next to the robot and say, "Pick up that sock, now walk to the hamper, now drop it, now pick up the shirt." You have to tell it every single step. If you stop talking, it stops working. That's called prompting, and it's super annoying. The new way. Instead of giving it step-by-step orders, you build a system. You set up the robot so it automatically wakes up, cleans your room, checks its own work, and then moves on to cleaning the kitchen. It loops around and around until the job is totally finished. You didn't clean the room. You built the robot that cleans the room. But if you want to build a robot that doesn't break your house, you need 6 things. An alarm clock. Something to tell the robot to start working every day at 4 p.m. without you asking. Separate desks. If you have 2 robots, you can't let them clean the same room at the same time, or they'll crash into each other. Give them different rooms. A cheat sheet. The robot forgets everything every time it goes to sleep. So you tape a note to its chest that says, "Remember, Mom hates bleach on the colored clothes." Robot hands. A robot that can only look at a dirty dish is useless. You need to give it hands so it can actually turn on the water and wash the dish. A twin to double check. This is a big one. If you ask the robot, "Did you do a good job?" it will always say yes because it's proud of itself. So you build a second robot. Robot A cleans the room. Robot B inspects it and says, "Nope, you missed under the bed. Do it again." A notebook. Because the robot forgets everything when it powers down, it needs a real paper notebook to write down. Kitchen is done. Bathroom is next. The big warning. This sounds awesome, right? You build the robot and go play video games forever? Not so fast. You still get in trouble if it messes up. If the robot puts your favorite sweater in the dryer and ruins it, your mom is going to yell at you. You have to check the robot's work. You might forget how to do things. If the robot does all your chores and all your homework, your brain gets lazy. You might pass the class, but you won't actually learn anything. The lazy trap. It's really tempting to just build the robot so you never have to think again. The takeaway. Building the loop makes you a boss. But a good boss doesn't just press a button and walk away. A good boss checks the work to make sure the robot is actually doing it right.